What is up, riders? You've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. We are heading to Italjet today to pick up the brand new Dragster. So first thing, I'm gonna hop on the bike. We're gonna go pick up my boy Jeezy. Him and I are gonna ride through to Italjet to pick up the Italjet, and then we're gonna head through to Clayton at AutoVelvet. But check out what he's doing up there. We might even have a drag race or two between the Dragster and the 125cc build. If you haven't checked that video out, it'll be linked down below or in the pop-up above. So let's hop on. I got my PCX, trusty old PCX today, PCX 150. That's gonna be taking me through. So yeah, let's get it. We have arrived.
So we arrived at Scoot Doctor and headed inside. We met up with Dominic from Italjet and checked out their awesome showroom. It has some really unique art and a really cool feel. They had these two Italjets still in their packaging ready for their new homes. These are both in black, but you can also get the Italjet in red and in yellow. They also have a huge selection of Molossi upgrades and this awesome acro pipe. Very, very clean looking. There are many ways to spec your Italjet, from Pirelli tires, carbon fiber bits, and all the Molossi you could want. So without further ado, let's check out the one we'll be taking out and let's hit the road.
Here it is, the Italjet Dragster 4-stroke 200cc. Right next to its older brother, the 180cc 2-stroke. Looking sick, both in yellow. What do you think, G? It looks sick. It looks sick.
So I love the exposed black frame.
Yeah, this is a trellis frame. That's what they call it. Same as the Ducatis and the KTMs. Looks very sweet. This is a stock standard one. So we'll be trying that out first. This is the black version with all the Molossi, which is quite sick. As it's got the acro pipe. I believe it's got the Molossi pod filter and drive, and then this is just a nice black one. This is almost fully Molossi'd out. I think you can do another 204cc on it, cylinder kit, and that's about it. But this one's almost there, and this one is stock standard.
This thing's nippy, eh? What is up?
It looks nice, eh?
It looks good.
Bloody nice, bro.
It looks good. It looks like an Italian
Yeah, I like it.
Ducati.
I think it's flipping nice, bro.
Yeah.
Big. There's only one problem with these, they're not two-stroke. That's the problem.
Well, that's why you buy the 182 stroke like you have. Same motor in the Italjet.
Yeah. And how's it, bro? Lekker, man.
How are you?
Yeah. It's a proper Italian race scooter, bro.
What do you
It's
think?
like a bloody transformer.
Yeah.
Optimus Prime, what's it? Bumblebee.
Stock standard.
You gotta drive this thing differential.
I might, eh? I might. This is stock standard 200cc 4-stroke. The Italjet had the same motor, the old one, as Clayton's Runner. So this one is stock standard right now, but you can Molossi this thing insane as well. You can put a 204 barrel on it, you can put drive, they put the Acropodic exhaust on it. It looks sick. It looks sick. So hopefully next time we'll get the full Molossi one and test ride that.
This thing looks beefed up to the max already.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
As is, looks amazing. Right now we're gonna go dice, Gilera versus Italjet. And see who's gonna. I think the Gilera is gonna win.
Really?
Just because it's a 182 two-stroke.
204 stroke. It's too close.
Plus 2 robots down. Then you'll
I
probably
think
drop
we're gonna hit N1.
Okay. So
Yeah.
we'll just see what happens, guys.
Yeah.
I was keeping up with him.
He's just stuck in my rear mirror. That's insane. That's like right there.
Yeah, that's crazy, man. This is why we like 2 strokes.
This thing is awesome,
Yeah.
but there's nothing that beats the old school 2-stroke. I agree with you, and it's cool to see the difference.
Yeah.
You'd think I'd have more torque,
100%.
but you have a lot of torque,
Massive.
and you just there's no place where I'm even with you. It's
Yeah.
just you're always pulling me.
Yeah.
But I'm still very surprised with the PCX, if I'm honest. This 150 PCX, cameraman Jeezy, literally stayed behind me
The whole
until
way.
about like 110, and then I've got that top end.
Listen,
that's
let me
great.
tell you something. The Italians have got a long way before they come into the Japanese territory. Let me tell you, these guys have been building scooters since they come out of their mothers there over there. It's on another level, bro.
That's true. Nothing beats the Japanese.
I think, Sean, you're going to have to go and take a ride of the Gilera. I'll jump onto that
I
guy.
think so.
And then you get to go back into some old nostalgic vibes.
Yeah,
with the
I missed my
two-stroke.
one, so it'll be good to feel it.
I think that's the Dakota.
Oh, Dakota. What a way to start the race. This bike is insane. Honestly, it has like so much torque, but yeah, they're both pretty cool.
bloody nice ride.
That was a nice ride.
That was really cool.
Very surprised with the outcome.
Unbelievable.
Shout out to the cameraman sticking out.
If you guys have seen the scooter build that John did on it's a 125cc BWS scooter, unbelievable. But let me tell you something. I took that BWS for a ride. I went all the way to Cape Point. I spent the weekend on it, riding it, revving it through the ranges, going through the corners, setting up the suspension. And when I first bought the Gilera, I kind of thought to myself, what have I done here now? I spent a lot of money on the scooter. And then I took this bloody thing for a ride and I was finished with it. All you saw was my teeth. When I got home, I couldn't sleep. And the whole night I dreamt about getting up in the morning just to go and look at the waves on this thing. Because this scooter I've got a 700 horsepower Audi. It's a monster. This, I'm going to tell you now, it gives me more joy. It's unbelievable. And I think there's so many values, like deals out there on the two-stroke, on the scene. And if you don't have time to work on these two-strokes and you're working a lot or whatever, here's your guy. Contact him.
Contact us. Urban Riders will sort you out. We've got a lot of parts. Like Clayton said earlier, we got some fun stuff
Coming for the runner, yeah?
Pretty much to go onto the runner. Molossi stuff. This, we hope to get a full Molossi kitted Italjet on the channel, as well as the old Italjet. It will be fun to bring the old Italjet stock and put it up against the runner. Same engine. But yeah, it would be cool to check the old Italjet versus new and the old Italjet versus the Gilera Runner. Yours is obviously modded, his stock, but that'll be fun.
Awesome.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. It was a really fun time driving with Clayton. Big thank you to my boy Jeezy, cameraman for today. It was really fun riding the Italjet. If you are enjoying this content, remember to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. Should we do something different? It's all new to me. I've never tried this vlog style. But yeah, this scooter was amazing today. As you can see here, flippin' awesome scooter. It was a really fun day. Appreciate it from Clayton. If you do want to check him out, his links will be down below or in the pop-up above. So yeah, if you're enjoying this content, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.